Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, Peter Edochie and his son, shame don't catch them. Hey, wonder shall never end. A lot is really happening, no, a lot. So, Grandpapa True ready and his son go all the way to Ebonyi State to go beg. See me, they settle me Edochie and you. Because of money where you the whole blessing. Now wow. Hey, nothing parents can not do for their children. Now this one I take believe. That means even if the children they bend neck like snake, we no get direction, you go still support them. Ah, Grandpapa just go there, go disgrace himself. Go disgrace himself. Not after the Aligwe family publicly denounced the marriage between Yoyoyo and May Edochie. Now there these people for just suffering go us. They for just use shame to go us. But instead, Grandpapa insists, I not blame her child. Una they see the kind wealthy family. If now you go agree me your pikin just go like that. Talk through my fans. If now you. Since then when I dey tell una, I not believe. Una don't see her. If now you go agree. Grandpapa no agree. Una don't see the reason why this divorce is different from divorce. This divorce is different from divorce. Hey, Grandpapa no submit. After the Aligwe family publicly denounced marriage, Grandpapa still go meet them. Go they beg. Say this is the opportunity when they need to settle May Edochie and Yoyoyo. Now they come carry and go meet their eldest. May Edochie Papa is not the senior. The eldest of May Edochie Papa brothers. They come carry and go meet him. Say, oh yeah, go meet him. Me you tell her to a face. No be we where you dey come meet. We will not fit talk put. Go meet me Edochie Papa eldest brother. Me you talk to them. Grandpapa country go. Hey, he country go. What money cannot do does not exist. Though. Forget it. What money cannot do does not exist. Grandpapa country go. As he reach there, they not even welcome her. Yes, that should make him know that this family they hungry. They no welcome her. Cola not nothing. The eldest asks, what is it? Because only their side, you let Edochie not go. Don't get it wrong. You not follow your papa. Now only your papa go. Because you is afraid that they feel bosan. Because a lot of May Edochie family members are angry with him. But because they don't want that their name, Aligwe, to the raw poto. Now not see the way Edochie don't raw poto now. The Edochie name not get value again. Before Juju Ekwensu come, that name carry weight. Since when Jezebel enter house, that family name na inside poto idena. So because me Edochie family don't want their surname to raw poto, all of them go silent. And their silence, the Edochie took it for granted. They took their silence for granted. They don't know say tortoise way they waka small. And snake way they waka small. They live long more than lion way they jump up and down. Am I lying? Snake go they waka. Don't say snake is not fast. Tortoise too slow. They live longer than lion when they run. They do exercise every day. Yes. Slow and steady win the games. They were quiet. They think say now then they reign. Now then they win. But they never knew these people were protecting their name. They were guiding that their surname. Because the moment that name stain, na shame. If not, May Edochie cousins, his brothers, they were ready to grasp you, teach him a thorough lesson. But they said no. Because of that ungrateful Ewitenje, they cannot stain their name. So Grandpapa go meet the eldest of May Edochie family. Tell him say, he knows that what his son did is not good. His son betrayed everybody. Not only May Edochie, even them, he betrayed them. He tried to talk to his son, tried to advise him. Yeah. He said his son was under some charms. That Umoji woman used charms on him. Say that charm na can they control you. When you can they do anyhow. He said that should not make marriage to end. They can fix it for them. Me Edoshe is young, you is young. When marriage get trouble like this, the parents will step in. Grandpapa won't talk the one way scatter table. He said if to say me Edoshe papa and mama they are alive, they would have fixed me Edoshe marriage. They wouldn't have allowed her to end marriage because of cheating. They would have settled this matter. Now, dear me Edoshe, papa and that brother charge, then grandpapa say, when you enter this place, did we welcome you? Did we give you a kola nut? When a visitor is not given a kola nut, the visitor is supposed to know that he should be on his feet and not sitting down. You sat down. You started talking in a gathering where you are not invited. Me Edoshe elder brother, me Edoshe papa elder brother told grandpapa, say they don't tell her say una dey around. He decided to ignore. They don't tell her say una don't they talk. He decided to ignore. But he made it very clear when he told his cousin, when he told his junior brother yesterday, say, come out and tell them that the marriage is over. Then the Aligwe has ended the marriage. They said it publicly. Then, did you know here? So, which marriage are you talking about? Which marriage? A marriage that, if their daughter was not that intelligent, she would have been in 6 feet. Is it the marriage you're talking about? A marriage that brought her pains and tears. An orphan. A woman without a father and mother. A woman that took you people as her own. Una break her heart. Una not only break her, una pieces her. But she was strong. And now you come here to tell them this and that. Now you come here to tell them that they should do settlement. Settlement with who? Now you said your son was under charms. The charms don't clear. The charms not they work again now. Yeah, I don't clear. Is it not the same your son that is still keeping that woman? Now you say make them settle their daughter with your son. Even if your son decide to leave that woman, their daughter is not going back. They know they go through with dustbin. They come outside the gate to open the dustbin to see if they forget something inside. Once they throw it away, anything inside, whether the cloth still good or it not dirty, they don't forget them. That is their family. Yo is that dustbin that they throw away back. That yo is that dustbin that they throw away. And it can never enter inside the house again. Grandpapa can start to the beg. Now the man tell and say, they did not welcome you. That is to tell you that you people can never have anything to do with them. The marriage is over. Every connection between you and them is closed. Me Edoshe papa elder brother tell Peter Edoshe say, the very moment you would have done something, you folded your hands and you let their brother's daughter go through these pains. She went through all these pains alone and she came back on her feet alone. And now you want her in the life of your son. Because where you people thought your son was going was more better. Now that you find out that nothing did that side, una they won't come back. And you want their daughter to take your son back. Me Edoshe papa elder brother say, if you is the last man on earth, me Edoshe will become a reverend sister. And he stand the ground to it. He stand his ground. Now he tell grandpapa say me they go. That me Edoshe papa elder brother, soldier they guide the house. Soldier they guide me Edoshe papa elder brother. I don't know what he be. They not tell me. I don't know whether na old soldier. I don't know whether na minister, whether na senator. I don't know what the man is. Soldiers are guiding his house. He must be a very important person. Una no dey see wetin dey happen. Hey, marriage by force. So all of una wey dey talk say, this old man should let May Edochie go now. Una don see am say May Edochie before she go na power of God o. Power of God and good family. Therefore, tie this woman rope for leg, join their own. Therefore, no let am go. I'm telling you wallahi talai. I'm telling you the fact. They no go let am go. So Janai guide the man. Who is that man? They say na he tell Pete Edochie. He no give am kola nut. Any elder wey come as they no give am kola nut. What he finish here? That elder no respect at all for him. That was what they were trying to tell this man. But because the man was blinded with, hey, see money, if not only $20,000 they even give you for inside that money, life don't change. Hey, may God not let us go to help people they count their money where we not go eat for inside. Grandpapa don't hear 280 million. God, Grandpapa head don't rise this morning. The man don't run. Ikiti, don't run, go the beg. Now they tell Grandpapa say the story is closed. The man saying a person will not repeat himself. Everybody knows him. He doesn't repeat himself. The marriage is over. After the divorce, the traditional things will be done properly. Properly, with or without you people. They know how to go through it. He said the only thing they are waiting for right now is for that court divorce. He said it will shock Grandpapa. The actions they will take. Now so they tell Grandpapa, the man say, walk out. They chased him. They chased him and his son. So yeah, they come out of a parlor. Bad friend. Wicked friend. Nice soldier tell Grandpapa, say, oh yeah, see disgrace. Say, oh yeah. Oga say not talk again, say don't talk finish. Now soldier, now he carry Grandpapa come out for there. And Grandpapa go they cry. Tell you say it's over. He tried his best. They did not even respect him. That means it's over. They did not even give him a chair. Now only one sit down. They did not even offer him a kola nut. Papa, when they tell you see your head. When he tell you, say, Juju Ekwe Nsu, it's not yet time to introduce her. By end, my people, a lot is going on. They don't chase you and the papa from Ebonyi State. No going back. Them, the elders have declared, May Edochie is not going back to there. Never. They say now manage the management. But as the management, now take it for granted. You are not up to the class of May Edochie. If she's even with you, you should be happy. Not be saying about pride or anything. They know what they are saying. And you, Grandpapa, you know very well. It is over. It is over. My lovely fans. They say now so Grandpapa shake head. Take come off for there. Now pursue Grandpapa. Come off for there. No more respect. Respect is given to those that deserve it. Do they deserve it? What they did to May Edochie. If May Edochie no get better family, better friends, better main nation, this woman will buy before her time. They just wanted her to buy. May they pack property. Yes, that was their plan. May Edochie family, they know. Even if May Edochie not queen, no, but the family already knows their plan. Imagine they know where compete Edochie. Now pursue the pursuer. Hey, May Edochie family don't pursue Grandpapa and his son. What a shame and disgrace. My lovely fans, as they no agree rest for the matter, they don't collect what go make the rest. My lovely fans, leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.